In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust spacing in WPS Office Mobile. Proper spacing is one of those small details that can completely change how your document looks and feels. When spacing is set correctly, your text becomes easier to read, more organized, and more professional, especially when you are working on longer documents on your phone. In this video, I will guide you through the full process so you can confidently adjust spacing and create documents that look clean and polished. To begin, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device by tapping on it. Once the app opens, go ahead and open the document you want to work on. For this demonstration, we will use an existing document, but the same steps apply if you are working on a new file. When your document is open, locate the text you want to edit and tap on it to begin selecting the content. Make sure you select the entire portion of text where you want the spacing to change. Selecting all the text ensures that the spacing is applied evenly and helps prevent parts of your document from looking inconsistent. Taking a moment to properly highlight your content makes the formatting process much smoother. After your text is selected, click on the menu located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open a panel containing various formatting tools. Scroll down within this menu until you find the option labeled Multiple. Click on this option to access the spacing controls for your selected text. Once the spacing section opens, you will see several spacing values available. To increase the spacing between lines, tap on the larger numbers. For example, choosing 1.5 will give your text more breathing room and improve readability. If you continue clicking higher values, such as 1.75, the lines will spread out even more, which can be helpful for drafts, reviews, or documents that need a clearer layout. If you prefer a tighter and more compact appearance, select smaller spacing values instead. Choosing 1 will reduce the spacing, while selecting 0.5 will bring the lines much closer together. Many users find that 1.25 provides a balanced look that feels natural and comfortable for everyday reading. By adjusting these spacing options, you gain full control over how your document appears. This simple change can greatly improve readability and presentation, making your work look more refined when using WPS Office on mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.